after a few years I suppose I moved on to Dublin and I met great players there. Tommy Potts and remember Wade Hensey asked me one night when he was in Dublin too working. So was Bobby Casey. And would you like to meet a good fiddle player? I said, so I certainly would. So I'll take you to one tonight. So I went to Tommy Potts' house. He played for us, but I was amazed. I never heard it. I was amazed at this. I couldn't believe it. But he asked me, we were about to go after about 3 hours. I suppose maybe when he told that I played, will you play a tune? So I played a tune in my own style that I had from, and man, you must be impressed with it. You can come here to me any night. And I took him up. I bombarded him, I was there.